Hi guys, good morning guys. So, kakagising ko lang. Hindi ko na videohan but it's already August 13 guys. Glad to blow mugwort. So, naka-off yung ilaw kasi girl of morning na. I'm just using my extra phone for lightings. And yes, ngayon mag-asikaso kasi I was planning to go sa yes, and I'm gonna try going sa Philcoast. Sabi nila sa lang, and 14 bukas, na bukas may sahod na. Let's take these things off at mag-release muna ako. Actually, mag-exercise kasi talaga ako kasi I already eat some wheat bread together with star margarine, and yes, I drink some probiotics nakako kasi yeah, it's literally like so yeah, let's go and let me take this off first. So hi guys, good morning. This is my face after washing off the mugwort that I used guys. So yeah, nagbubuhat na lang ako for a while. And I think walang pasok ata ang governance kineme-keme. So I think I'm gonna break down the tatanggalin ko siya sa schedule ko. Because siguro tomorrow I'm gonna go sa na lang SSS bukas. So right now we are going to rebuild my account. So I hope you guys could subscribe, follow in all social media platforms. I have 2 accounts on my TikTok account. I have Shop with Ray, tapos Dre Paloma, which is yung pinaka-main ko talaga at gagawin ko talagang branding talaga. Yung Shop with Ray kasi affiliation talaga guys. Doon ako kumikita for extra. And sa Facebook naman, Dre Paloma. I really hope so you guys could follow me there. Hindi pa ako nagtutupi, so let it stay there. So hi guys, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang lunch siya. Kakapunta lang natin sa laundry shop guys, pero hindi pa tapos yung pinalaundry natin. I think mga gabi pa yon. It's around 12 pa naman ng hapon, so yes. Nagugutom ako. Sakit na ng calorie deficit na to. Grabe na to. Nagugutom ako to be honest. Hindi ko lang alam nung gagawin ko para mabusog ako. I think I'm going to eat something na maliit ang calories. So, medyo move pa ng online guys. We're going back, getting the clothes of mine. Right now, we're doing our diet again. And I hate it kasi nagugutom ako. Kinain ko lang kanina is like 4 na itlog, 6 na saging saba. So, I have my damit na dito sa Landers na lagayan. Grabe pagod ako. But it's painful kasi I didn't thought about doing this like second batch. Kasi parang in a way na it's just an exercise. Inuman ng drinks ha. Kaya massive. Oh my god, let's be honest. Maging tayo guys eh. So hi guys, malapit na ako sa bahay. And I would love to take a shortcut, but I feel like it's so risk. It's too much risk. So alam niyo na kung saan ako nakatira. Dito lang sa Corocan guys. And yeah, probably you can see me here eating anything else that I wanted to. But right now I feel like I needed to betray myself. As you can see, grabe, ako si shave ako ng mukha later. Kasi, actually, I've been bald. So, and so, yes. But right now, let me yes, these things. And yes, I use it. And it's here, the mat and the boxes are there. Looking forward to, yes, more